Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how you can set up the remote desktop connection on Windows 10 and 11. So this is my source machine, okay, and this is my target machine. So I have already connected with the remote desktop connection, you can see here. So Windows 10 is my source PC and this one is my target PC, the destination PC. So in order to take the remote desktop of the target machine, you need to go to that machine. It means that Windows 11 machine, and inside here guys, simply you need to type here remote desktop. Remote desktop setting, just click on this option, and once you click on the remote desktop setting option, additionally you can press Windows plus R button together and type as sysdm.cpl. sysdm.cpl, hit OK option, and two way you can enable it. You can see here, same way. So make sure allow remote desktop connection on this computer is enabled, and if it is ticked like this, untick this option. Just you need to click this option. By default this is don't allow the computer to this computer, but you need to tick this option, allow remote compute connections to this computer. And once you select that, click on apply and click on OK. Additionally you can like turn it on here as well, same settings here. So I have shown you two steps to enable the remote desktop connection. So this is the first number setting. Now the make sure the user account you have inside your destination machine, the target machine, it should be in the administrator account, so that it can take the remote desktop connection without any error. So let's identify the Dell username. In my case, simply open the file explorer. If you are normal user, you are not able to take the remote desktop connection. And also if this machine is Windows home machine, so also the remote desktop connection will not work. Make sure the target or the destination machine is Windows 10 or 11 Pro machine. Also you need to have the knowledge of what is the IP address of your target machine as well as the host name. Okay, let me show you the first number step, users. Once you go to user, as you can see here, Dell user I have. So member of administrator, make sure it is in the administrator group. If it is not, just simply type here administrator and click on check for names and click on OK. Administrator, okay, it's already in the group, so make sure you allow this. Let me show you with the test one. By default this user, if I remove this from remote desktop user, this user will not able to access the system. Let me show you as well here, test. Since this is not the administrator group, I will show you with the both. Let me create the password here as well with the test account. Okay, now we have successfully created. Now let's get the IP address of the destination machine, the target machine. You need to open the CMD in a normal mode and type here IP config. Once you type here the IP config, so this is the IP address I have inside my system, 1.3, as you can see here. Also you can take the IP address, you can take with the host name as well. So this is my host name Dell. So let me copy the IP address or the host name, both will connect. Now let's move on to the source computer. There is no additionally steps you need to do in the source computer. You need to just open the remote desktop connection here, and once you type there, you can type there the name of the computer and click on next, and see it is connecting with the host name as well. So let me go with the host name here. The computer name is Dell and the system username is test, which was not in the administrator group as well as in the, see it's working now. Since I don't restart the system, but if I restart or log off the system, it will take effect. Also let me take with the Dell user. It's already been logged in. As you can see here, it's already been logged in here. Okay, this is the, it's disconnected since it's connected with the host name, you can see here, instead of IP address. So this is the first step. Okay, now the second step with the IP address. So IP address is 1.3 now, so click on connect. Okay, and it should be connecting now like this. Put the username and password of the destination machine, and you should able to take the remote desktop session on your Windows 10 and 11 machine. Also, if you are facing any kind of resolution issues, just disconnect it. If you want to just open remote desktop, okay, go to show options, show more options, click on display, and if it is like this, drag it to large and then go to general, just save it. Also you can put your username and password as well here, edit, and also you can set the speed, how much speed you want to give it to the remote desktop connection. As you can see here, I have given it to 256 kbps to 2 mbps. So if you have enough connection, then you can go with the detect automatically, but if you have limited internet connection, if you have the limited internet, so you can go with this option. This will be good for you as well. So click on connect now, and you should able to connect with the remote desktop services. So I hope guys I have explained you everything on system. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.